Hello guys and welcome to the channel. Today I'm going to show you a few tips if you cannot find your Bluetooth accessory on your Samsung Galaxy M14. So when I have a problem with my headphones, I'm always starting from the simplest way. Just open the settings, then go to the connections and tap on the Bluetooth. Now just switch it off and switch it on again to restart the Bluetooth connection. After that, check for your device again. You can also try to restart your phone by holding the power button and just click restart. You can try to restart your Bluetooth accessory also. So, after start, you have to be sure that your Bluetooth accessory have a pair mode activated and it's visible for other devices. How to enable a pair mode you will find in the manual to your device on maybe on your YouTube channel. In my case, I have to click 3 times this button and my headphones starting in the pair mode. Sometimes you have to push the button for a few seconds, for example. You have to check it by yourself. So if you're sure that your Bluetooth accessory have a pair mode activated, but it's still not visible for your phone, you can also try go to the settings, choose the general management and slide down to the reset. Now tap on the reset network settings. How you can see the Bluetooth is included here. Tap on the reset settings and pattern and configure your pattern code. And now just tap on the reset and look for your device again. After that, you can also try to update your system. To do it, just open the software update, choose download and install. And if you have any update available, just download it and install. Then look for your device again. And the last recommendation from me, check your Bluetooth accessory and your phone on other device with Bluetooth, like a laptop, other phone, to check which one are making a problem and which one is visible, which not. That's it. Thanks for the watching, leave us a subscribe, a comment, and goodbye.